Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to enable or disable the vertical synchronization in MindsEye. So at first press the escape button to open the main menu, then move to the settings and open display tab here. As you can see, the last option in the display tab, you can see the vSync. Here you can switch it on or off. I recommend to switch it on because this feature will synchronizes the refresh rate and frame rates to exact amount that your screen operates with amount of hertz. So that would be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!